welcome back to my channel. I am Richa Mukhara for all those who are new here, and I make videos and travel, lifestyle and so much more. So please take a moment and hit that subscribe button. It would mean the world to me. और आज के वीडियो के लिए आई कोलैबोरेटेड विद वन ऑफ माई सब्सक्राइबर्स. तो मैंने इंस्टाग्राम पे ये स्टोरी डाली थी कि इन केस देयर इज अ सब्सक्राइबर्स हु इंटरेस्टेड टू क्रिएट अ मिस्ट्री बॉक्स फॉर मी. सो भावना अग्रीड एंड शी क्रिएटेड अ मिस्ट्री बॉक्स फॉर मी. सो आई क्यू दैट वीडियो राइट इन ऑफ हर थॉट्स of why she wanted to create a mystery box for him, and then we'll move on to the unboxing.
Hello everyone, this is Bhavana Sharma from Guwahati, Assam, and guess what, I got the opportunity to create a mystery box for Richa Mundra. So basically I've been following her since months now and I've been loving her content. I love how unfiltered and genuine she is, and at the same time her content is so wholesome, you guys. She makes travel, beauty, fashion, then career related videos, everything. And this whole process of creating a mystery box took me a month or so, and she was there for me in this whole period. She was so calm and patient at the same time because it took me a month. So yes, I tried my best to create this mystery box and hope she likes it. Fingers crossed.
Okay, so I have like a huge box here and let's open it. बहुत सारा है अंदर, ठीक है. I'll go in a random order क्योंकि इसमें ना कुछ पे numbers लिखे हुए थे, but I think वो numbers कहीं misplace हो गए. So I'll go in a random order. So the first thing that I see is this. This is the Waffy Choco rolled, Choco flavored rolls. I've tasted it before. I love it. It's damn delicious. So thank you for this. Okay, the second thing that I see is this. This is like a gift wrap. मैंने ऐसे scissor विज़र लेके बैठी हुई हूँ. I see something Harry Potter. Okay, I see something Harry Potter, and I now understand what it is. मुझे ना ये फंको पॉप्स कलेक्ट करना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, ठीक है. और हैदराबाद में भी मेरी डेस्क पे बहुत सारे पड़े हुए थे, एंड देन अभी तो वो नहीं है मेरे पास. बट रिद्धि ने, इफ़ यू सी माई बर्थडे ब्लॉग, आई लिंक इट समवेयर, उसने भी मुझे फंको पॉप्स दिए थे. सो आई लव फंको पॉप्स. लेट्स सी हाउ दिस वन इज. दिस इज सो क्यूट. Oh my god, this one is like so cute. This is like a sitting Harry Potter. And then you have like a, I don't know what this is for. मतलब इसमें ये निकालना और घुसाने वाला काम किया, but this is so cute. Love it, literally love it. Okay. The next thing that I have is another box. यार भावना, thank you so much for taking so much effort to actually pack everything. Love it. तो लग रहा है बर्थडे आ गया. मिनी एलिगेंट टेप डिजाइन डिस्पेंसर. दिस डज नॉट लुक लाइक अ टेप डिस्पेंसर टू मी. इसमें एक अर्थ एल्बम का एक बॉक्स है और जिसके अंदर, ओ these are loofahs. These are loofahs. These are clean sponges. Oh my god. I think these are makeup remover sponges where you can just put, you can just wash it with your face or something like that. Yep. This is something that I did see on Amazon and I was planning to buy. So there are like two of those, one in brown color, one in the black color. Love it. This is so good. This is from Earth Rhythm? Okay. I don't know if it's from Earth Rhythm or not, but the jhola is from Earth Rhythm. So let's see. Good prank with the sellotape dispenser. Oh, this is the first one. Like this one has the first वाला. मैं इतनी excited हूँ ना, इतने बच्चों जैसे excitement हो रही है मुझे, because गिफ्ट्स किसको नहीं पसंद है यार. और बर्थडे के बाद गिफ्ट्स खोलने में तो सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है. I can hardly guess कि क्या. I can hardly guess कि क्या है. Let's see. I didn't have this and I needed it so bad. So this is like a camera 360 shutter, like the camera button. Oh my god, I had this initially and then I had lost this. So how did you know? Put it inside the mala jeli ताकि वो घूमे ना. But how did you know? So cool, dude. ओके नेक्स्ट दिस इज 11 नंबर. इसमें कुछ और भी नंबर है क्या? 5 है. नंबर्स ना सारे मिक्स हो गए हैं, तो मुझे 6 भी 9 लग रहा है, 9 भी 6 लग रहा है, तो पता नहीं है. दिस इज अ परफ्यूम फॉर श्योर. Wow, that's I'm guessing it after you see the box. But let's see how the perfume is. You know I'm a sucker for perfumes, right? So, okay, love the bottle. काफी fancy. थोड़ा सा मीठा है, but I think we'll be able to do good to it. Let's see. हल्का सा इट्स मीठा. आई डोंट नो व्हाई, बट फेस्टिविटीज का सीजन है, सो इट्स ओके. एंड देन आई हैव दिस वन. दिस इज अ कप. ओके. Oh, this is so cute. This is such a cute cup. I like it. Nice, very pretty. एलिगेंस करके ऐसे लिखा हुआ है. वेरी नाइस, रियली प्रिटी. आई रियली लव कप्स. अगर आप मम्मा से पूछोगे ना तो मम्मी लाइक प्लीज इसको कोई कप्स मत देना, इतनी ज़्यादा कप्स है इसके पास. नाउ दिस इज नंबर 6. दिस इज द फ्रेम. सॉरी अगर आपको तो मेरी एक्साइटमेंट शक्ल पे नहीं दिख रही है, तो because I'm just too busy opening gifts. Okay, this is a frame. Cute little frame with this picture right here. I love this picture. This picture is really cute. Thank you. And I love frames. I love anything to do with pictures. Okay, like just anything. Anything works for me with pictures. Okay. What's next? I have this box. It didn't take all your time to open it, so probably मैं इसको लास्ट में खोलूँगी. ठीक है, बाकी कुछ खोलते हैं. Okay, this has like a little ribbon on it. इसको खोलो अंदर. Okay. These are candles. This is in the flavor roasted coffee, and this is in the flavor vanilla musk. So I have like these 2 candles. And these are from the brand Wrapped by Love. Okay. Thank you so much for ordering from Wrapped Love store. Grateful for support. Okay. This is cute. अगर आप लोग को नहीं पता है, I have a big candle collection. No, not big candle collection. 4-5 candles are with us. They're like lying right there, and I love to light them. So candles are always a good gift. ये घर को महकाने वाली चीज़ें तो अच्छी लगेगी ना. और you know how obsessed I am with perfume. Scents के साथ भी कुछ कहानी होती है. Okay, next is a book. Next is a book by Preeti Shenoy. Preeti Shenoy is like an Indian writer जो ऐसे काफ़ी से love stories वगैरह लिखती थी. And I have like major of all her books, like from the time when I used to read Preeti Shenoy and when I used to read love stories and everything. अब तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा love stories पढ़ती नहीं हूँ, but I'll give this a read. But yeah, thank you. I love books. Again, books भी पढ़ी हुई है वहाँ पे. The books are those which I have to read, और बाकी का collection नीचे है. Okay, I think these are the last 2-3 gifts that are there. Shit, ये मुझे एक और mystery box करना है. Anyone up for another mystery box? I think I'll do like my friends make a mystery box for me or something like that. Let's see. These are neon lights. There's a neon light right there. There's a neon light right here. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is cute. This is a R in neon light. So cute. Thanks yaar. This is really nice. So batteries वगैरह डाल के I'll see how this lights up too. But there's a gratitude wala light which is there on my wall, if you can see somewhere there. And I love neon lights and I love the word gratitude. So my sister got it for me. अब ये आर भी लगाएंगे. वैसे भी आर में भी ज़्यादा ना प्रॉब्लम नहीं होएगी बिकॉज रिचा का हो या रितिका हो रूम में आर लग सकता है. So I'll probably like it. I can keep it to my sister's Bangalore flat also. वहाँ पे भी वो लगा सकते हैं. We can do that also. Okay. Next looks like a hoodie slash t-shirt. Okay, this is like a cute little t-shirt which says I am focused on enjoying every moment in life. This is like a sweatshirt and I love sweatshirts. So if तुम्हें पता कैसे था ये सारी चीज़ें मुझे नहीं पता but sorry hold on. तुम्हें पता कैसे था ये सारी चीज़ें मुझे नहीं पता but these gifts are really cool. Okay, and this is the last one which says take all your time to open it. मुझे लग भी रहा है इसमें काफ़ी टाइम लगेगा. Let's see. Feels like a bag to me. Ooh, such a cool bag. Is it like a nice, bro? This is nice. I've been looking for a sling bag. मेरे पास एक black color का sling bag था जो चला गया. So I've been looking for a sling bag and this is like a good color यार. Good, very good color. घर में जाएगा. काफ़ी spacious भी है. Nice. Okay. So I think that was it for the whole video. I hope you like it, and in case you want me to collaborate with you to do a mystery box, let me know in the comments and I'll do that. Till then, thank you so much Bhavna for curating this. I know it might have taken so much effort to do this, so thank you so much for doing this, and yep, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.